In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Getresponse landing page. By the end, you'll have a fully working landing page that you can start sharing right away. First, log in to your Getresponse account. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the main navigation and find the section called Tools. Go ahead and hover over or click on Tools, and then select Landing Pages. This is where all your existing landing pages will live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Now, to start a new project, click on the button that says Create Landing Page. You'll see different options for how to build it. For this walkthrough, choose Use a Ready-Made Template. This is the fastest and easiest way to get a professional-looking page without designing everything from scratch. You'll now see a gallery of templates, usually grouped by goals like signups, sales, downloads, or webinars. Take a moment to browse through and pick one that matches the purpose of your page and the style of your brand. When you've found one you like, click on it to preview, and then select Use Template. Getresponse will then open that template inside the landing page editor. At this point, you can customize the design if you want to. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to at least update the text, your headline, and any call to action buttons so they clearly match your offer. You can click directly on elements like text, images, and buttons to edit them. Make sure the main message is clear and that it's obvious what you want visitors to do, whether that's signing up, downloading something, or making a purchase. When you're happy with how everything looks, move on. In the top right corner of the editor, click on Next Step. This will take you to the page settings. Here, you'll choose the URL or subdomain for your landing page. Pick something simple and relevant so visitors can recognize what the page is about. Next, select the email list where new contacts will be added when they sign up through this page. This is important for organizing your leads and any follow-up emails or automations you plan to run. Once your URL and email list are set, you're ready to go live. All you need to do now is click Publish. Getresponse will process your settings and then give you the live link to your new landing page, ready to share with your audience.